Top 5 key figures behind Einstein's greatest discoveries. 1. Max Planck. Max Planck, a German theoretical physicist and the father of quantum theory, had a profound influence on Albert Einstein's scientific career. In 1900, Planck introduced the concept of energy quanta, proposing that energy is emitted or absorbed in discrete packets. Now known as quanta, this revolutionary idea laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. At the time, Einstein was 21 years old and beginning his studies in theoretical physics. Planck's work greatly inspired Einstein and later became pivotal in Einstein's own groundbreaking paper on the photoelectric effect in 1905, which explained the phenomenon using the concept of quanta. This contribution eventually earned Einstein the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. 2. Mileva Marić. Mileva Marić, Albert Einstein's first wife, played a significant role during the early stages of Einstein's career, particularly in the development of his groundbreaking theories in 1905. Known as Einstein's miracle year 1905 was when he published 4 revolutionary papers that reshaped modern physics. Marić, who had a strong mathematical background and studied with Einstein at the Polytechnic Institute in Zurich, is believed to have collaborated with him on his work. Letters between the two suggest discussions of scientific ideas, and some historians argue that she contributed to the mathematical and conceptual framework of Einstein's early papers. At that time, Albert Einstein was 26 years old. Although her contributions remain a topic of debate, their intellectual partnership was significant during this period. 3. Hermann Minkowski. Hermann Minkowski, a German mathematician and one of Albert Einstein's professors at the Polytechnic Institute in Zurich, made a groundbreaking contribution to the development of Einstein's theories. In 1907, Minkowski introduced the concept of space-time, a unified framework combining 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time. This idea revolutionized the understanding of physics and provided the mathematical foundation for Einstein's theory of relativity. At the time, Einstein was 28 years old and working on refining his special theory of relativity. Minkowski's space-time framework allowed Einstein to extend his ideas and eventually develop the general theory of relativity in 1915. Although Minkowski and Einstein had differing views initially, Minkowski's work was critical in shaping Einstein's scientific achievements. 4. Marcel Grossmann. Marcel Grossmann, a Swiss mathematician and a close friend of Albert Einstein from their days at the Polytechnic Institute in Zurich, played a pivotal role in the development of the general theory of relativity. In 1912, Einstein was working on extending his special theory of relativity to include gravitation, but he lacked the advanced mathematical tools necessary for such a complex endeavor. Grossmann introduced Einstein to the field of tensor calculus, a branch of mathematics essential for describing the curvature of space-time in the general theory of relativity. Grossmann also collaborated with Einstein in writing early papers that laid the groundwork for the theory. At the time, Einstein was 33 years old, and their partnership was instrumental in overcoming the mathematical challenges that eventually led to the publication of the general theory of relativity in 1915. 5. Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr, a Danish physicist and one of the pioneers of quantum mechanics, collaborated and debated extensively with Albert Einstein during the 1920s. Their intellectual exchanges centered on the interpretation of quantum mechanics, particularly the probabilistic nature of quantum theory versus the deterministic view Einstein advocated. Bohr supported the Copenhagen interpretation, which suggested that particles exist in a state of probability until measured. Einstein, famously skeptical of this idea, often stated God does not play dice with the universe. Their debates, notably at the Solvay conferences, were highly influential in shaping the philosophical underpinnings of quantum mechanics. At the time, Einstein was between 41 and 50 years old, and these debates highlighted the profound respect and rivalry between 2 of the greatest minds in physics. Although they disagreed, their discussions propelled advancements in understanding quantum phenomena.